I'm going to record this video with Anjana ma'am. She's making videos on YouTube related to English and she's teaching also English. She had a great experience about English. I will break down everything about English. This episode would be very beneficial for you. So let's start this video. Hello Anjana ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm also good. So please tell me something about yourself.
Yeah, sure. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. I'm Anjana and I'm connecting to you from UP district Farrukhabad. If I talk about my qualification, so I have done my post graduation from Kanpur University. And if I talk about my hobbies, so I love teaching, listening to music. Apart from that, I run a YouTube channel. Its name is Anjana's Educational Videos. I believe in hard work and consistency, and I am very amiable person. That's it.
Very nice. So, ma'am, I watched your some videos. You are making very nice videos, and you have a very good experience about English, and you are a very talented teacher. So, I was thinking like I will invite this ma'am. So, ma'am, I would like to learn many things from you about English.
Yeah, sure. And thank you very much for appreciating my work. I'm not a very great teacher and hi-fi teacher. I'm also a learner nowadays. I am practicing. So whatever I practice with my learner, I upload that video on my channel. That's how I learn. And I
Hmm.
always think that teaching is a kind of learning. Like when you share your knowledge, so you always increase your knowledge. Yeah. So this is my
Correct.
motto, and I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Yeah.
Yeah, I respect your thought, ma'am. Really, you are making very good. You are doing very well. So, ma'am, first of all, I would like to know how to learn English. This is a very basic question.
Yeah, sure. So as you know, um, that since our childhood we have English as a subject. Yeah, and we always read English as a subject. And when we grown up, then we understand the value of this language, that we should learn as a language. Yeah, and now I feel that if, like when I was little, if that time my teacher would told me that we should also practice of this language. Yeah, so in study time we can also learn this subject as a language. But when I
Correct.
was little, so that time our teachers never told me, because nowadays like English has become a very craze for everyone, that everyone wants to learn this language. Yeah, but I'm talking
Mhm.
about myself, that when I was little, that time there was not so much craze of English, because I belong to rural area, and in even I can understand that in city people are very crazy to learn this language. But nowadays, whether they belong to village or they belong to uh, urban area, all person are very curious to learn this language. Yeah, so
Absolutely,
I
ma'am.
always think that this is a language, if you are studying like you are little boy, you are young, and you are young, or you are, I mean, senior. Okay, everyone can learn English while studying in class, because everyone has this type of mentality that if you are in class, so read English as a subject, and when you will grown up, then you will join spoken classes, after that you can learn English. Yeah, but I
Correct.
don't think so. I think that if you are studying English, study like a language. If you are doing writing practice, reading practice, so along with that, start speaking practice, because speaking comes from speaking, and we always, don't give priority to speaking. That's why we have lack of confidence to speak in English. Because I have seen many people that they are good at English, okay, in writing, understanding, and reading, but when it comes about speaking, so they have lack confidence, they
Hmm.
hesitate to speak English, because
Hmm.
they did not do such kind of practice. They
Mhm.
did not do lot of practice. That's why.
Hmm.
So I always give priority that English is very easy subject and language also, that if you practice daily, you can become perfect very soon. Yeah.
So give me some tips, ma'am. How can we do practice? Because you have a great knowledge, I think, about English. Like what we could use, like some application, some YouTube channel. Please give me some suggestion.
Yeah, sure. So first of all, like we are surrounded with Hindi environment, yeah, and not Hindi. So everyone surrounded with their native language, like Bengali, Punjabi, and South Indian have their own native language. So if we are surrounded with our native language and we are not surrounded with English environment, then it's very complicated and it's very challenging to learn English. Yeah, because we always talk with our mother tongue. So I think that nowadays, if you have a smartphone, so you can create artificial environment. It
Hmm.
helps a lot because
Correct.
environment is really very helpful for learning English. If you are really serious to learn English, then
Hmm.
create your artificial environment. Like
But
you
how,
can
ma'am?
watch any. Yes, I am telling. Just listen to me carefully. Like
Mhm.
you want to watch anything like cartoon, serials, news, songs, movie, whatever according to your interest. Watch in English, don't watch in your mother tongue, because we know our mother tongue very well and we have to learn English language. So
Correct.
just for few days, for few months, watch everything in English. Okay, according to your interest, there are so many resources. Whatever you want to watch. After that, if you want to chat with your friends or anybody, so don't write Hindi or any other language, only translate English. Yeah, that's how we can learn many sentences and words also. And if you are alone and there is nobody for talking to you, yeah, so we can also think in English. Thinking is really very useful practice, because
Correct.
every time our mind thinks something, yeah, so we always think in our mother tongue. So I always think that stop thinking in your mother tongue, start thinking in English. Like today, some guests are about to come at my home, so what we do, we have so many plan that I will do this, I will do this. So don't think in Hindi, think in English, that I will do this, I will do that. So this is also kind of practice. And
Hmm.
sometimes we don't get words, that I'm making this sentence, so what word we should use, what sentence we should use. So we can just watch on Google, we can search on Google and we can learn. Yeah, so these are all practice, like
Hmm.
thinking and watching something on mobile. And if you have good friends, then you are lucky, then you can discuss with them in English also. Yeah, you can convince them, you can motivate them, you can inspire them that please start speaking to me in English, because it's helpful for everyone. Yeah, and if you have your siblings, you can discuss with them in English. And if people are married, they can talk to their children. So this is how we can create English environment if we don't have English environment. Yeah? This helps
Absolutely.
a lot. Yeah.
Hmm. Correct. Amazing, ma'am. So, ma'am, like I started when I was beginner. So that time I started my journey. I think I learned from Duolingo. Do you know Duolingo?
Yes, yes,
And
yes, yes. I
yeah,
know.
and I learned from Google Playbook. I was learning from Google Playbook. Like this is
Okay.
a reading book. So when I stuck some word, I don't know what is the meaning. So I will type and I will know what is the Hindi meaning of that word. So I was reading
Very
that
good.
book. So, ma'am, would you like to suggest me some application which was very beneficial for you?
First of all, to be very honest, I never used any application. I never
Mhm.
used any application. Actually, I have done my post graduation in English literature. So, as a subject, English was good. But if I talk about my speaking, so I was very poor in speaking because I never practiced. Yeah. So, before 8 months, I started my speaking practice. That's why I daily practice with my learner and I upload video. So yeah, I must say that I knew everything in English that I can teach you where I can teach you well. But yeah, if I talk about my speaking, so I have been practicing and I
Hmm.
never used any application.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
And
But yeah, people tell me, yeah, when I interact with any other learner, so they suggested me like Geostocks application and those talks, and yeah, there are so many applications. Just I forgot.
Okay, okay. So you never use this type of application.
No, and actually I don't have so much time because I'm a homemaker also, and I have one kid. So I have lot of responsibilities of my home, and I'm running YouTube channel. So I have to manage all things like edit video, upload video, and you know very well that it's not an easy task to work on YouTube. Yeah,
Absolutely.
and I have also, I take offline classes also, so I have to go there daily. So that's why I remain very busy. I don't have time for any other application.
Mm. And ma'am, do you have ideas some YouTube channel which would be very beneficial for me for learning English? English YouTube channel.
Yeah, you can. Yes, you can watch. There are so many conversational videos channel. Like I always watch. Do you know Rajni? Try to Thrive. She is very good
Okay.
speaker.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you have never watched her video?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you should watch, and you will
Yeah.
definitely find that she is so great, and she is very good speaker. And you can also watch her, initial videos, like when she started her YouTube channel. That time she was not good at English, but she is so consistent that she has improved a lot. That's why I always love to watch her videos. And yes, you can also watch. And there is also Asu Official channel, and I love his videos because he most of the time he talk to tutor. And I always feel that when we watch video, like if person is talking to a tutor, so tutors guidance are really very helpful for us also. Whatever they are suggesting to the learner, that you should follow this, you should not speak like this, you should use this method. So these are really helpful for us also. That's why I always love to see Asuto's video. Yeah.
Mm. Okay, okay, all right. Ma'am, when I was in my beginner time, so that time I was thinking like there is no need to practice grammar. I was thinking when I was childhood, so that time I learned from my surrounding. So, but this time I'm thinking grammar is very important for speaking good English.
Yes.
So, what do you think? What is
Yes.
your opinion?
Accurate English. Yeah,
Mm.
sure. Yeah, initial stage, it happens that when we start speaking, so we forget that where we should use age, was, used to, and where we
Mm.
should use model. Our mind disturbs because our mind is not clear. When we write, that time we are clear because we have time to think. But when we speak, that time we don't have time to think. So yes, everything is mixed in initial days because I feel so. As I am telling to you that I am teacher, but when I started my speaking, so it happened with me that I know very well that this is correct sentence and this is wrong sentence. But when I used to speak, so I used to do so many mistakes. Even I nowadays also I do. When I listen my whole conversation, then I realize that, oh God, I have done this mistake. I should not do this mistake because it's not our mother tongue. That's why it's common that we do lot of mistakes. Yeah, but if we
Mm.
practice daily, so within the few months, we will overcome from this problem. Yeah. So yes, I suggest to you that grammar is very important because when we speak inaccurate English, then it impacts bad. Yeah. So we should always try to improve our English. Like if you know your weakness point, if you know that here is you are wrong, so you should rectify yourself and you should try to improve your English because
Mm.
accurate English is good because people can judge you. Yeah. So mistakes are good, but we should not do mistakes again and again.
Mm. Correct, correct, man. And how can I make our vocabulary and pronunciation very good?
Pronunciation, if I give suggestion about pronunciation, I have also very weak pronunciation. Really, I am very poor because most of the time my daughter, even she is 12 years old, and she always interrupt me that, mom, you are speaking wrong words. So
Really?
I always try to speak English. Yeah, I read English before my daughter, and she corrects me that don't speak like this, speak like this. Then I, you know, so reading is very good practice. And if you don't know that what is your correct word and what is your miscorrect word. So we should listen carefully any conversation, any good native speaker, any good speaker, whose pronunciation is good. We should listen them carefully and we should imitate like that. Yeah, that is how we can learn a lot pronunciation. We can get improvement in pronunciation. Yeah. And what was the other thing you asked to me? Pronunciation and vocabulary. Yeah, vocabulary.
Very strong.
Yes, yes. So vocabulary, like you are a student, so you have lot of time. Like I don't have so much time, so you can note down also. Whenever you listen any new words, like you are listening any conversation or you are reading something. So if you find that yes, there are so many words that these words are very useful. So you should note down. You should repeat them. You should revise them. Not only note down and finish your work. Yeah. We should revise them again and again because that is how we can recall the words. Like, most of the time what children do that they write all the things. They are very fond of writing that, wow, what a sentence, what a words we should note down. But they never revise those words. So how can you remember them? So writing is good, but always try to revise them. That is how you will never forget and try to apply in your conversation. That if you are writing only and you are not applying on your conversation, so how can you learn? How can you use? So applying in your conversation is really very good. And whenever you listen any conversation, listen to carefully. And that time, like I do, I don't have time for writing and reading. So whenever I listen any conversation, that time I try to grab that all new words in my mind. And I listen. If I like any conversation, so I don't listen only once. I listen again and again until I grab all those points. Yeah, I do so.
Ma'am, I would like to add something like what I do for learning vocabulary. Like I subscribe some application like Vocab 24. I will get
Okay.
daily 20 words English Hindi. Second thing,
Very
I follow some channel on Pinterest. Like there I will
Okay.
get some vocabulary. So this thing I also follow, and I will remember your tips also. I will follow that thing.
Yeah, sure. Because I think that if you are daily learning, 20, 30 words and you are not revising those words, like in 1 week, you are not revising, so you will forget. Yeah, absolutely. Like when I was little, I was in my college, I was in my school, that time we learned a lot. So many word meaning, we always learn. But what happened after exam, when exam is over, we forget because we never remember those. That's why I believe that if you learn 5 meaning to have in your mind and use in your conversation, because when whatever words we repeat, we have in our mind. Yeah. And if you are learning daily 20 words, so you are not using in your conversation, you will definitely forget. That's why.
Okay, ma'am. So it was very, very nice conversation to you. Thank you very much for joining my session.
It's my pleasure. Yeah.
Okay.